Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to use Dropbox app on your desktop. So let's get started. First, to use Dropbox on your desktop, you need to download and install Dropbox app on your system. To do so, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Dropbox. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as dropbox.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. Now hover your mouse over this Get app, which is on the top navigation bar, then tap on Desktop app. Now to install Dropbox, simply tap on this Install button. Then tap on the downloaded exe file. Then tap on Run. Now to use Dropbox, you can sign in to your Dropbox account. If you don't have one, you can create one by tapping on this text, Create an account on Dropbox.com. To create an account in Dropbox, you can either provide your email address or you can directly continue with Google. Choose the Google account that you want to create the Dropbox account with. Then tap on Confirm. Then tap on Agree and sign up to agree to the terms and conditions of the Dropbox. And when the installation is completed, open your File Explorer. And as you can see here, just above this PC, a new folder is created as Dropbox. And whatever file you upload here will be uploaded on a Dropbox. For example, let's upload an image. I have this image here. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. The green tick symbolizes that this file is uploaded to our Dropbox. Now, if you open our Dropbox on our web browser, we can see this image has been uploaded to our Dropbox. And guys, that was it. This is how you use Dropbox on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.